Hello, hello, hello. This is Throne. Welcome back to All the Mods 10, episode 2. And today it's time to start a few mods and get them going. And the first one I want to start is Immersive Engineering. That's my mod of choice. I did start up just a tiny bit of Ars Nouveau, because I do want to make the storage lectern, which is just going to help us with all the storage that we need, not running over the place and clicking into chests a lot. But I think I have a fun idea for this series. I'm not sure if it's completely doable, but at least for the first parts it might just be. And that is, if I have a extensive mod that I need to make something for the ATM star, so like the Tesla coil for Immersive Engineering, I want to see if I can make it with just that mod. Resources could come from a different place if we need like some bees with that aluminum bees or something like that for Immersive Engineering. That's fine. But the automation and everything, I want to see if I can make that within the mod itself. And Immersive Engineering has some amazing machines that look really good. And I think it could be a fun project to build out. Now, the Tesla coil is going to need a lot of stuff, and it's going to need power. My idea is to first just focus on the power and just get a start with it. We don't need to do all of it at once. I'm also thinking to do modern industrialization. Now, I know that's a bit of a controversial one, because not everybody likes that mod, because it's quite extensive. So I kind of want to do little bits over time. So I might just start up a few little bits over it and just have it run. Make sure we've got supplies in that, because modern industrialization, you just need to let it run in the background to slowly get all the parts you need. But we'll get to it when we get to it. First up, and Immersive Engineering and the Engineer's Hammer. Let's do that. I should have everything. 2 sticks. There we go. And iron. Where did I leave my iron? Oh, I went underground and got some more resources. It's not too much. There's the iron, and there's a string. It's not too much yet, but we'll get there. Engineer's Hammer. Cool. So let's check the quest book. I know a lot about Immersive Engineering. It's one of the first packs I really played. There was a Immersive Engineering themed pack that had Botania in it and a bit, but mostly Immersive Engineering. So we cannot avoid needing the coke oven and the alloy kiln. And for that we need to make coke bricks, so we need a lot of clay, bricks, and sandstone. So I think that's a good idea that I'm gonna... Oh, it gave us even some bricks. I'm gonna start collecting those, and I'll be back when I've got the resources. Right, got my stuff. So let's make some coke bricks. That's way more than enough. By the way, in the meantime, and I didn't post this, or showed this, but I've made a Ars storage lectern. I did it in the last Stoneblock 4 run as well. So if you're curious how to do that, my Stoneblock 4 run, episode 5, I think, it's called Ars storage. But we have now at least 27 coke bricks. And I prepared this little area. I'm gonna have some decorations in here, but I prepared it for our Immersive Engineering adventure. So the only thing I need to do is put this down, tap it with the hammer I don't have with me at the moment. Preparations, Frebo, preparations. I think I remember where I put it. I put it here somewhere. I did a lot of mining in between scenes. So I was actually working on getting more resources for the decorations. I want to use Create as more of a decorating mod than a mod. Even though when we get to the blaze burner we need to build for the... I might just go into a bit more Create. However, I am still fond of the idea of doing modern industrialization instead of Create. But let me know what you guys think. Do you want to see Create? Do you want to see modern industrialization? Both of them I haven't done for a while, so I'm fine with either. Right, now we're making coke in the coke oven, and we also want some kind of canister to catch the creosote oil, because the creosote is going to help us make the planks we need for the water wheel. Let me see, can I just make a... no, not a dark tank. No, not a dimensional tank. Maybe the one from basic fluid tank. Can I level it up maybe? No, I need okay. Well, basic fluid tank for now is more than enough. At least we can catch a lot of the creosote that way. There we go. A little bookworm hard at work. In between episodes I'll sort everything out storage system wise and give even the Ars a better place, because I just now dumped it here. There we go. As soon as creosote has been made, it will fill up the tank with some creosote, and we get coal coke, which we also need for immersive engineering. Well, there's a lot of stuff I've got open, but let's check out immersive engineering for now. So you get coke and creosote oil, and that's the way you make treated wood. We're eventually gonna need treated wood to make this guy as well. So we could, for now, focus on the alloy kiln. Yeah, let's build an alloy kiln as well. Also did that one in stone block. I might as well have everything in its place. Also filled up the kitchen a bit more. Got now different recipes going. Ready to make. Yeah, this is becoming larger and larger. Do you want to get myself some ground mutton and some ground This one as well. That might just open. Ah, that does not eaten yet. Okay, let's eat that. Eaten, not yet eaten. Let's take that one as well. I'm trying to level up my cooking oil. Okay, I don't think I've got that yet. Cornmeal. Let's get that out as well. The more ingredients we put in here, the more choices we get. Like a breaded pork chop. Let's make a breaded pork chop. That's a good idea. Gravy, not yet eaten, but we can take it. And there we go. That's all kinds of different foods we now can eat. Meatloaf, not yet eaten, but we can make it. There we go. Potato chips, potato. The one is eaten. Tortilla. Okay, so I guess if I make a tortilla, it will open up more recipes. What's this? What is? It says something. Fries. Maybe if we open up fries, we can. Maybe we can even make burger and fries. No, I don't think so. Okay, I don't see any new recipes pop up, but it's fun to experiment. It's fun to experiment this way with some of the ingredients and recipes. There's so many recipes. For me, it's just fun to put stuff in the fridge and see what I can make, and hopefully we'll get eventually we'll get more hearts on our bar. I thought I was almost there, but I'm not sure yet. Right, alloy kiln. Sorry, I got distracted. Alloy kiln. Kiln. It's probably called kiln brick. Probably, yeah. There we go. Oh. Can I? Okay, that's annoying. Okay, let's get the. I need 8 of them, so brick. I need 2 more bricks, please, and 2 sandstone. Then we'll make it in a separate crafting table. The problem with the lectern is that some functionalities that you're used to in applied logistics are not always there. Like being able to swap. But now I could swap. Oh, that only gives me 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And typing is also really hard today. There we go, 8 of them. And that will save us building hammers to make dust, to make alloys that I did for the brass. So I kind of want you over here. And click on you. There we go. And now we've got an alloy kiln. And then the coke we could put into the alloy kiln and use that to make different recipes for metals like brass and other ones. Electrum. Yeah, more of those. Could you please break? There we go. I'm gonna hate that there's something in the sky, so let's just... Cool! Okay, I'm gonna let the creosote fill up a bit. Oh, well, it's already filled up quite well. Oh yeah, let's just hop over to Let's make some treated wood planks. Just gonna wait till it's 3 buckets. 3,000 buckets. Oh, that takes a while. No, we're just gonna take it out. There we go. And we'll make some treated wood planks. Because when we have those, it will open up a whole world of making water wheels and stuff. And the water wheel is kind of the way I want to go for now with... is it all I can make? Yeah. Okay, so we made 16 planks. Yeah, we do need a bit more than that. Okay, let me just gather everything up and we'll... I'll see you back when I've got everything for the water wheels going. Okay, I've got a stack of treated wood planks. Let's see what we need for the water wheel. First step, we need these water wheel segments. Ooh, and we need steel. Ooh, I think I looted some steel somewhere. Yep, that feels like a cheat, but still. I kind of do want to make 3. How do I make steel in... Is there Immersive Engineering in the alloy kiln? Charcoal or coal with iron. Oh, okay. That I'll make that in the between building. Let's first talk about the water wheel. We'll make 1. We need these water wheel segments, which needs us to have treated wood sticks. I'll make a few. 1 more. And the planks. Okay, 4 sticks. And 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And like this, right? 4 segments. Then we get those 4 segments and some steel. And we have a water wheel, which I fully expected to be a quest. Now the water wheel's interesting. We do need a dynamo to convert the kinetic power of the water wheel into a okay, we do need to make a few things. Okay, for the dynamo I also need to be able to make copper wire, which I need to cut for now because we don't have the power to do a metal press. So I'm gonna make some all the parts for the dynamo and make the third water wheel, steel for the third water wheel, and then we're gonna set up the water wheels for the end of the episode. See you in a moment. All right, we have 3 water wheels and a dynamo. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit of the plans. As you can see here, I kind of decorated the place up a little bit. Some barrels and stuff. And I'm planning out some more decorations that are going to be built in between the episodes. Now, my plan here is to put down the 3 water wheels in between these girders from Create. Create is a really nice looking mod. I'm not always fond of the mechanics behind Create, but that's me. But I kind of want to do put the 3 water wheels in the middle and have an artificial waterfall coming over, maybe pumped up by a pump house or something to make it look cool. That's the only thing. That's the only goal I have at the moment here. So for Immersive Engineering, you can have 3 water wheels per dynamo. And there they are. They just look cool and imposing. So, yeah, that's basically the way I'm going to set this up. I'm going to be putting the dynamo on the other side, which is easier for building But yeah, this is kind of what it's going to be. I will be back with you guys when I've put down the house at the top and the waterfall, and we can look at the end game and the way the water wheel is turning. Here you can see our little house and water wheel going. Now, I have to be honest, I had a lot of trouble trying to get the water wheel to turn a little bit faster, and it's still not good with the end result. I think the source blocks for the water wheel have to be way closer to the water wheel than I have at the moment, which is something I'm gonna leave for now. I might consider putting a dummy water wheel somewhere in secret, or get some other forms of power also for immersive engineering, because the way the water wheels are turning, I'm pretty sure they're not giving off a lot of RF or power. I'm not sure what the power is for this mod, but yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to mess around with the source blocks, but I didn't quite get it the way I wanted to work. But to be honest, with the little house and everything, it looks cool. And just like a stone block, I'm trying to build cool things. So yeah, I think we're gonna keep it for now with the house and the way the water wheel is working, and I'll maybe mess about with it in later episodes or even in between episodes. And there is our beautiful water wheel and house, if I do say so myself, with the girders nicely supporting it. It's going way too slow at the moment. Like I said, I need to figure out maybe a few things about it, but that's for a later concern. Thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna see you later. And for now, I'm gonna say bye bye. Bye bye.